New MICRA has a friendly face thanks to its distinctive headlights. Two semi-circular daytime running lights give the impression of raised eyebrows, and eyebrows will be raised when you drive by. With 6 colours, 2 roof options and 14 colour combinations, New MICRA has a shade for everyone. Enjoy the ice cream scoop, a concave feature line running along the side. The bold wheel arches and black panel insert in the lower door give New MICRA a confident premium stance, reinforced by standard 18-inch wheels. Zero boredom, zero emission, 100% electric. Impossible is not a fact. Impossible is just an opinion. New MICRA is compact on the outside, but spacious on the inside. Thanks to its compact size, almost every space becomes a potential parking spot. New MICRA is agile, fun to drive, and also at home on the highway. Discover room for everything that matters to you. Thanks to a trunk with over 300 litres of capacity and split folding rear seats, convenience comes as standard. To add a Japanese touch, there are 2 Mount Fuji references in New MICRA. Can you find them? Simplicity and understated elegance are the name of the New MICRA's game. 3 distinct trim options offer different vibes, while adjustable interior ambient lighting offers 48 different shades of colour. We all have a connection with our car. New MICRA makes that connection as seamless and stress-free as possible. Hey Google, navigate to my favourite pizzeria. Finding the best rated pizzeria in town before hangriness kicks in? Easy with Google Maps built into the New MICRA. No need to use a mobile phone. Great when you have a pizza craving. Hey Google, play my driving list. With Google Play, weather or music apps can be directly downloaded. Google Assistant also allows the driver to change car settings or activate smart home devices, as well as select a new destination. And the Harman Kardon audio system is for those in-car karaoke moments. New MICRA comes with 2 battery options producing 90 and 110 kilowatts. This translates to 310 and 408 kilometers of range. Charge easily and conveniently. Thanks to New MICRA's smart battery tech, quick charging means a top-up from 15 to 80% takes 30 minutes. From low energy to recharged in one stop. There's a dedicated cable storage compartment in the trunk, another thoughtful touch. And with 4 drive modes that adjust dynamic characteristics and energy regen, that means lively but efficient performance. If you're off on a long trip, just let New MICRA's route planner recommend a convenient charging point on the way. Audacious, assertive, and with a ton of premium attitude, the New MICRA comfortably navigates all the challenges it faces and brings the smile back to the streets. Plus an ice cream scoop. Who could resist?
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.